Hey, Ryan.
Wow.
Hey, what do you have there?
Choo-choo.
Wow, you have a choo-choo.
Mama, apple.
Open it. You want Mama to open it. Whoa.
A pie.
You're playing. What are you playing?
Tree.
Whoa.
Hop.
You need help. Train derailed. Train derailed. Up. Call the fire police. Call the fire police. Here we go. So this is Ryan's Imaginarium train table. He got it for Christmas. It's only a couple of days after Christmas. As you can see, we still have our Christmas tree up. And Ryan loves choo-choos. So this was a really, really neat present for him. He's really interested in the choo-choo coming on the TV. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, let's see. What do you have here, Ryan? Did you get the fire truck?
Duck.
Did you get it? Oh, it's stuck. It's derailed. Okay, here it goes. Ryan has it all. So this is a really neat train table. It's got the station where you can park the choo-choos. It has a choo-choo bridge. Ryan, do you love choo-choo bridges?
Hello.
Yeah, there's the choo-choo bridge. Okay, and we also have a turntable. Ryan, show them how the choo-choo goes across the turntable. Yep, send it around the circle. Whoa. Send it through here, Ryan. How does that work?
Hello.
Oh, wow. Turn it. Oh, line it up, and then the choo-choo can go past the track. Yeah. And it can go through the low circle. Do it with the choo-choo tunnel. Yeah. There he goes. Under the choo-choo tunnel. Wow. Now it's going through a blue choo-choo tunnel, too. Wow. Ryan, do you like your choo-choo table? Yes or no? Oh, you got to turn the turntable again. Wow. Are you parking the green choo-choo? Whoa, he's going to the train station. Yep. There he goes, into the train station.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, choo-choo. Wow. What's wrong? What happened? Oh, the police and the fire truck are on top of the bridge. The choo-choo bridge. Yep. Wow. All right. You better get the fireman. Where's the fireman at? Where? Where is he? Show me. Show me where. I guess we're not getting the fireman right now. Not yet. Yep. It's stuck. Oh, it's stuck under the tunnel, he said.
Bye-bye.
Bye. He fixed it. Yeah. It really came with a lot of pieces. It was a 100-piece set. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, now what's gonna happen? How's the choo-choo gonna get by? What happened, Ryan? Oh, wow. Look what happened here. We lost a piece.
What?
Yeah, wow. Fix it, Ryan, fix it.
Clutch.
Call the crane truck. Call the crane truck. Here comes the crane truck. Whoa, the crane truck's gonna fix the track. Wow. The big crane truck's fixing the track. Wow, fix it, fix it. You have to back up the choo-choo. Yep. Beep, beep, beep. All right, get the crane truck. Fix it. That's a great idea, honey. Getting the crane truck to fix the track, the broken track. All right, now the choo-choo can pass by. Go ahead. Have the choo-choo pass on by.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh, the bridge is broken too now. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Go ahead, have the choo-choo travel over there. Who are you gonna call? The crane truck, the fire department, the ambulance? What's going on here? Oh, whoa! We got some real action going on. The choo-choo's falling down. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Back it up. Beep, 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 beep. All right, Ryan, you better fix it. How are we gonna fix it? It's stuck. All right. All right. Now the little train's going. Here he goes. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, he brought help. So every night before bed, we happen to read The Little Red Caboose. And in The Little Red Caboose, 2 big black engines come along and save the day. So this might be just what's going on. Yeah. As you can see, Ryan really is enjoying his train table. I would say that it's a really enjoyable purchase for him.